Printify recently added this new early access product to their catalog. The problem is there are no mockups yet, so most sellers can't list it. But I found a way to sell it right now while there's low competition, so let me show you. Alright, so this is the zippered canvas tote bag from Printify. As you can see, it's early access, meaning there are no mockups or pre-made mockups for this product. So what we've done in MyDesigns is imported this product, allow you to bulk publish it. You can bulk design for it, bulk publish it, and we have our own mockups created for it. So we've done all the heavy lifting for you, and you don't have to worry about that. So you can get ahead of the game here before lots of people start to list these and basically publish them while there's low competition. And now I'm going to show you how to do just that. So let me switch over to MyDesigns here. So I'm already logged into MyDesigns, and if you're new to it, you'll log in and go to Settings, go to Partners, Connect Printify, and that's literally all you have to do. Once you've done that, your stores are here. Then you go back to your listings page. In this case, I'm already in the zippered tote bags folder. That's what I named it. And I uploaded these teacher-related designs that I think would do good on tote bags. Now, again, tote bags are a great product on Etsy. They have great profit margins, and they sell well. And that's just talking across the board. Now, if you come down to these zippered tote bags, they're like a more premium product. So I think we could price these around $25 plus shipping and get plenty of sales. So let's just jump right into this. So I'm going to select all 9 of these, show you how easy this is. Go publish. Now under the platform, you want to choose Etsy and you want to choose print on demand because MyDesigns also supports the ability to sell digital downloads. So just click this POD. That'll open up our product catalog, and if you already connected Printify like I showed you earlier, just type in zippered tote and it'll pull it up. So zippered canvas tote here, this is the exact product. Fancy Fanny from Printify, and if you have Printify Premium, that's $11.74 per cell. That's with one print, of course. So I'm going to select that, and I'm only going to do a front print. Let's turn back off, and you'll see right here we got a preview of our design. We can edit that and make sure it looks great. I'm going to first add the rest of these mockups here for the front view, just so we have a good option there. And these are the mockups that we created at MyDesigns. So let me select all the color options. Now let's go in and modify our design to see what that will look like. If I zoom out, you can see the printable area on this tote bag here. So I'm going to just make sure this is big enough without going out of these blue dotted lines here. So let's center it. I'm going to sync that, right click sync. It'll apply that same size to the rest of these designs, but some of them you want to click through. Because again, we're doing this in bulk. We're publishing 9 products at once with all the mockups, even the SEO data, which we're going to use Vision AI. I'll get to that in a minute. All done for you right here in MyDesigns. It's very, very, very powerful. All right, let's get that one right there. And keep moving here. This one looks good. This one might be just barely too big. So let's get that here. Make sure these are centered. This one could be bigger. There we go. This one can also be bigger. And let's keep it going. This one's pretty good as is. I like it that it takes up most of the space there. And these are DTF prints, direct to film, which can be a really high quality print. All right, so I think that is good. So now just save that. Now you can see it's re-triggering all the mockups. So what we want to do is select the colors that we want to generate on these different mockups. So the primary, I'm going to probably, Etsy now allows up to 20 mockups. So I'm going to select all these just so you can see every color option. And let's just select a few for these ones. Get the rest of the colors here. I think that's pretty good. So that's a lot of mockups here that are rendering. As you can see, if we look through these look great, showing the different colors and different lifestyle views here. So yeah, this is awesome. So now I kind of want to organize these a little better. I'm going to go with probably something to showcase the design. We'll put that one there. And we'll just start to mix and match these a bit. You can organize these however you see fit. I think we're going to put one of these in between and rotate these through. Again, you don't necessarily need this many mockups, but I want to show you the possibilities here. And I'm also going to toggle this auto-generated video mockup. It'll create a transitional slideshow through all of these. And videos are great on Etsy because when someone is on the search results page, they hover over your listing, what it's going to do is just show you the different mockups. So it's going to pique their interest and likely have them click through into the listing. All right, so that's done. Let's just move to the next step. And this, again, is 9 different listings. Just click here. You have 9 of them. So you can input your title descriptions and tags manually or just use Vision AI, which I obviously recommend. On the other product type, I'm going to do zippered tote bags. Leave that. We're going to do Etsy. We're going to use the MD 2.5 model, and we're going to generate titles, descriptions, and tags, and we're going to include the product features in there. So if I just click yes, run Vision AI, what it does now, it'll analyze all 9 of these designs. It understands Etsy's requirements and structures for SEO, and it writes highly optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for your listings in bulk. And you can see how fast that was. It's already done. So best teacher ever. You can see it understands the design. Zippered tote bags, teacher appreciation gift, end of year teacher gift, rainbow teacher bags, it's got this rainbow, school teacher bags. You can see these are great. If you look at the tags, these are also great. And Vision AI is just always getting better too. So I'm going to go through a few more of these. You can see everything's done for us. So I go back to that very first listing. Everything is done. So that's amazing. Let's go to the next step. And I'm going to keep this very simple. The cost right here is pulling in my Printify costs, and on my account, this account actually doesn't have Printify Premium, which I recommend. And if you do have it, it's going to show you that $11 whatever it was price here. So I'm going to price these at $25.99, apply to all. That applies to every single listing. When you use this apply to all here, you can see on size, colors, and actions just replace. We just set the price there. Now again, keep in mind if you have Printify Premium, your profits are going to be closer to $13, $14. All right, let's move to the next step. This step is just kind of a preview. You can preview all of the data, but in our case, we're on Etsy. You can choose to shop if you have more than one shop. I'm gonna leave it as MD SVG shop. I'm gonna say active to show you how that works. It just creates the product on Etsy and makes it active instead of going into draft. And I'm gonna type in totes, not totes, yeah. This will do it here, yeah, totes, bags and purses totes. And who made it? Normally you do another company or person. And then you would pull in the production partner if you added it to Etsy. But if you didn't do that, you can do I did and change that later. So don't overthink that. Then you got the rest of the details here, all the colors. This isn't a personalized listing, so I don't need to check that. But that is it. So now I click publish. And what MyDesigns will do is go out and generate all those mockups for every single one of those listings. It's already generated the listing data. It'll create these product listings in Etsy. It's linked to MyDesigns, which is also linked to your Printify account. So when an order happens on Etsy, it's going to route to MyDesigns first and then right over to your Printify account on the exact SKU that was ordered. So whatever the color of the tote bag was, or whatever the design was, it's automatically done for you. And depending on how you have your settings adjusted inside Printify, it'll either go into a manual queue where you approve it there, or it just automatically processes the payment for the product, goes right into production, and it's automatically shipped to the customer. And when it is shipped, that tracking number will come from Printify right back to your MyDesigns order. It's automatically added to it. And then from there, MyDesigns will automatically update the order on Etsy with your tracking number and mark it as complete. So it's fully hands-off. Once you get a bunch of these listings up, you get a little traction behind them. You can make, several $1,000s a month in passive income with very little work involved. So it's very scalable and it's a very fun business model. And MyDesigns makes it incredibly easy to scale. So I hope you found this useful. Once these are done listing, let's see the process here. It's still processing. I'll jump over to Etsy real quick to show you that, and then we'll go from there. All right, so that is done. Let's move over to this Etsy shop, and let's go to listings. And there you have it. There are every single one of these tote bags sitting on Etsy. They are already live, ready for sale. So I actually visited this. This is just a demo shop. But if I visited it, as you can see here, let me just click into one of these. You have your tote bag. You got your video mock-up that's going to rotate through all of those. You can see it's a slideshow that kind of just rotates through it. And all of the options. You can see the colors and the pricing. Again, the titles, descriptions, tags, everything is there. These are ready to purchase and everything is automated from there. So that's a very easy way to take any of the early access products from Printify, use MyDesigns to bulk create designs with Dream AI, then bulk publish them, and obviously have automated order fulfillment and very advanced personalization capabilities too. But again, that's the MyDesigns advantage. You can get early access products plus tools that you can move fast with, and those tools being MyDesigns and all of the suite of features that we have there. So the MyDesigns link is below. You can sign up, connect Printify, and you can start publishing these today. Before there's too much competition, you can get in early, start getting sales, get those reviews, get your products ranking high, and keep that window open as long as possible. So jump in, sign up for MyDesigns, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. We'll talk soon.